Oh, don't bother, still standing, still here. No matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me aside, and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. You're so sad that you're leaving. It's already made its mind, but I've learned to trust the voice that's been with me all this time. Do you believe in you tonight? When the doubts come talking loud, you keep saying you're not enough, but I'm stronger now. Do you believe in you? Was I supposed to do? Sit around and wait my turn. I tried to shrink in who I was, only got burned. I don't need their permission, I don't need their sign. I found my strength in standing still and choosing what is mine. Do you believe in you tonight? Or do you keep luck? Even when they judge your way, I bleed off each other. Different mind, still standing tall. The harder by decom.